Agencies charge thousands and take weeks. But what if you could create an ad with the same quality in just a few seconds and only cost a few cents? Let's see how it's done. No need to stress about what to film, how to make a solid ad, or even how to create UGC, user-generated content. Everything can be done right here, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Just so you know, these videos are really stunning, so let's check it out.
Ready to go all out with everything you need.
Now, how are they doing all this? They are using a script. So you just need to get a script. You can get one from an LLM, or just write it yourself also can.
The gentle curves of the ceiling lights give off a warm glow, like ribbons of soft sunlight flowing in the air.
And that's good too, because it doesn't sound robotic. This doesn't sound like a robot talking. It just sounds like a human narration, even though it's AI. And that's what's really cool about this. You just have to use a script or a prompt. So for example, I can just go and paste the script here. You can choose the actor who speaks. So you can use Sora, if you know Sora. There's a video about that, but it's actually a video content generation tool. You can import your videos here, turn them into high-performing ads, and you don't have to pay an agency. You've also got custom avatars right here. So you've got more than 300 AI avatars, or you can use your own. So whether you want to use Sora or AI avatars, you can keep the avatar there for consistent branding and see how it looks. Then we've also got B-roll. Plus, it looks professional, and you don't have to go and search for it yourself on Pexels or Pixabay. And finally, why is this so powerful? Because you can scale with ads affordably and quickly. You can launch 200 ads a day for literally just cents. You don't have to hire an agency. You don't even have to hire a video editor. You don't have to do any of that. And here you can see all the videos I generated. Or you can use the AI avatar or just create some awesome UGC. Just pick your script, get ready, and make that ad. To see more amazing examples, check out these avatars. Have a look at all this. All of this is generated by AI, and most people will be scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, saying, "How did you get so many influencers working for you? You must have an agency." No law. I just use Make UGC and create the coolest stuff. And if you don't know what UGC is, user-generated content is the most important thing. Why is that? Because everyone wants a genuine person to review their product. So this works for TikTok, IG, YouTube Shorts. You can do it in multiple languages, so don't stress. If you want it in Spanish, if you want it in French, can do one. Support for global campaigns. Plus, you've got the whole workflow settled for you. Captions, export, all that kind of thing. So why pay more? Scale campaigns quickly. Make them profitable. Start creating UGC ads with AI today at makeugc.ai. Let's go!